Hi everyone, this is Mike from Herbert-ABS with another Learning Series video. In this video, we'll do a quick overview of the cargo definition and cargo summary within CargoMax. When carrying oil products, either as cargo or as HFO or diesel oil for ship's use, defining the properties of that oil can be important. Density and volume will change as temperature changes, and a wide variety of API and ASTM tables have been developed over the years to account for this behavior. In CargoMax, we can use the cargo library to define cargo types and assign those cargoes to tanks within a CargoMax loading condition, as seen here. We can see this VLCC is carrying two types of cargo, heavy sweet crude and medium sour crude. In the Tools menu, there is an option for the cargo library, as seen here. Once the cargo library is open, you can see the cargoes that have already been defined. You can modify existing cargoes if necessary, or create a new cargo. By clicking Add New, you can see the extensive list of cargo types and tables available in CargoMax, encompassing a wide range of operations. We'll get into more detail on the various types of cargo definitions in future videos, but for this video, I want to just focus on the basic use and operation. Once cargoes are defined and assigned to tanks in loading condition, an additional cargo summary should be available. If not, you may have to enable it through this process. First, click the View Program Options menu, select the Cargo Report tab, and click Change. Select the tank group or tank groups that you want to show, and hit OK, then OK again. I now have a Cargo tab in the Summary window, and if I click on that, I can get details of the cargoes loaded in the condition. I have a Summary tab that shows the breakdown. In this case, I have the two different cargoes loaded. I also have a separate tab for each that shows the specific details, including the cargo definition and the tank values assigned. Thanks for watching this learning video. For more information, please visit us at www.herbert-abs.com or email us at info@herbert-abs.com.